I'm going to show you how to understand or read the report that we have sent after the child has taken the assessments with us. So the first section here is about the name of the student, the ID. The ID will allow you to track how the child is performing on each of the topics. Then it is about the test paper number and the score of the child, followed by in the brackets is a percentage. Below it is the percentile. So percentage and percentile quite look same, but there's a bit of a difference that percentage is with respect to the score and percentile is with respect to how many of the other students are ahead of your child. So in this case, if the student is 80% and there were no more students ahead of him, then he or she is at a 100 percentile. And 80% is the simple calculation of the score of how much the child scored out of the total score. Yeah. And then the maximum score is in the group what was the maximum, what was the minimum score of the child who has taken the test, what was an average score. This will help you to understand where your child is with respect to the max, min, and an average. And you can plan accordingly to improve how much you need to improve the child. And after that is the total score, the number of questions attempted, the number of questions not attempted, correct answers, and the incorrect answers that the child has attempted. Now, when we scroll down, the second section is about the subject-wise distribution, is how many questions HUNARly has set to be easy, how many were medium, and how many were hard. This being a easy medium paper, so that was the setup. It would be slightly different for a medium hard. You would see more of a hard and medium in this chart. Then coming to the difficulty level or difficulty wise distribution, this particular graph here is with respect to the how children have found or how the participants or the attendees have found the test to be. So it was 33% was hard, so many children have found it hard. Medium was by 15 and easy was by 12. And now coming to the final section, here it's about the score of the child followed by is in blue, the followed by the average score being in red, the topper score in yellow, and the total marks in green. So if we take fractions easy questions, you can see that the total score was 19. The topper of this group got 15. Your child also got 15. And average in the class got around 10. So this will help you to keep a check on each of the categories of this particular topic which your child has taken. So that is how you read the graph, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. We are happy to help, and the next step for you would be to fill the gaps and do not leave these results just as they are, because we believe, and I'm sure you would believe as well, that every child can do it. It's just that they need step-by-step instructions on how to do it. Thank you for listening. I hope it was helpful for you.